The sun's in the way of that one. The old jack for turning, crooked pieces throw a lot of weight off to one side. It's not like a simple round straight log. So I use the jack. It holds it nice and in alignment with the bunk. It's the first cut, first two cuts. So it's a little over 12 inches now, and I'll cut both the upper curve and the inner curve, and then split it in half. It's just the way of the band. The teeth lead the cut, so as you go uphill, it cuts easy and will lift up through the cut. But when you go downhill, the back of the band wants to ride on the timber, and the leading teeth don't want to follow the direction of the slope. So it's easier to come up a hill, up slope, than it is to go down, I think, without causing more stress on the band. When you go down the hump, you have to push more, and that forces the blade more because the teeth aren't leading the cut. Most of these cuts aren't much. This is about as steep as they get, but shouldn't be too bad. And I have a slightly used band on, not a brand new band, so it's already it stresses. It's hard on the bands, but they're only what, $20. Take a little creative bunking. There's just some junk stuff thrown in there. You have clearance issues starting out, and then opposite this side, and then back that side. So I just throw whatever in there. The other thing is you can't just jack it on the end because it'll just belly out. The middle will just sag. So this is the third jack. And I found a spot that it liked to jack, so I could split it out. This is just going to be one piece, and I'll get it'll be 7 inches on the top and 8 inches on the bottom. And so I jacked a point here to help start to take the taper out. And I'll cut this side, flip it 180, and then cut the other side with a taper in it, and then do the crown and the belly. So that's just 8 inches. So I didn't taper it. Thought I might have had to, but didn't have to. My slabs are starting to get a little out of control. So you can see how this one here came up the cut pretty well. I came back and touched it up a little bit, but coming down off this big end here, it won't dive in. I end up flexing the band way more than what is necessary. That can just stay a live edge. We just peel that off with some draw knives. And I took 3 bunks out so that the belly could sit down in the track. One of the great things I like about the mill is that the bunks are not fixed in place. They're movable. They're just these little feet here. Just some angle iron welded on the bottom of that plate. And they move, they slide around. Let's see you make that cut. And low battery. Let's see you make that cut with a swing mill. I am envious of swing mills at times, but that's got to be just torture on the band, by the way. I don't even want to think about it too much, but I do. I'll be glad when the ice is Finally gone.